Word cloud just got smarter, thanks to our all-new AI analysis. It automatically cleans up responses, groups similar ideas, and highlights key themes and sentiment, so you instantly understand what your audience really means. Let's see how it works. First, nothing changes in how you run your activity. Ask your audience, what did you think of today's training? Participants submit their words. You display the word cloud and play it like you normally would. At this stage, you see the most frequent words, the visual energy of the room, and immediate reactions. That's your classic word cloud experience. But now we go further. Once the activity is complete, you simply trigger AI insights to generate up to 3 analyses: grouped words, key themes, and a sentiment analysis. Let's explore them one by one. First, grouped words. This step automatically cleans and merges similar responses and small spelling mistakes. For you, this means no duplicated variations, no messy spelling noise, clear weighted terms. You immediately see what really stands out. Next, key themes. Here, AI clusters words into semantic categories, usually between 2 and 10 themes. Instead of looking at 40 separate words, you might see themes like positive feedback, AI focus, challenging aspects. Each theme groups related words and shows their total weight. This helps you answer questions like, what mattered most to participants? Was the session more about learning, engagement, or difficulty? Are there recurring improvement signals? You move from scattered words to structured meaning. Now we open the Sentiment tab. First, the system checks whether sentiment analysis is relevant to the question. In our case, what did you think of today's training? Yes, absolutely. Then AI scores each word from 0 to 1 and labels it positive, neutral, or negative. The result? A visual, color-coded breakdown of audience emotion. In our example, the overall sentiment is positive. If you're working with large audiences, this is incredibly powerful. No manual counting, no guesswork, just a clear emotional snapshot. You still engage your audience the same way. But now, instead of just seeing words, you understand meaning. From raw input to structured insight in seconds. That's the new AI word cloud. Smarter, clearer, more actionable than ever. Try it now on Beekast.